the great, my Edo people. The great, my Edo people. This is Edo United Movement. He have come back again. I greet my people, my great Edo people. My sweet land, my great land. Queen and Honey, all the great queen. I greet all my great people. I greet you all. I greet all my great leaders. I greet you all once again. I greet you, my brother, Mr. Lucky. I greet you. Wato. I greet you all. The great Edo United Movement have come again. First, you all share this live video. Share. Please, we are coming again. The great Edo United Movement. Make una not forget, say, now this month, now the great Edo United Movement was born. Now our great ancestors born. Great Edo United Movement. Now he born great Edo United Movement on the 26th. Now he born great Edo United Movement on the great Edo. The 29th. Now we want to do them for great Edo land. For great Edo land. All our everything I will see all now. I greet all my great people. I greet you all my Mr. Omar Odion. I greet you. I greet you once again. Mrs. Koba, I greet you. Osato, I greet you. I greet you all once again, my great people. Omoba, I greet you. Wato, I greet you all. I greet you all. I greet you all. The great Edo United Movement have come again. All what we are saying, I want to prove all to you people now that yes, we now talking and do. The great Edo United Movement now talking and do. More we fair hear some music, no say na so they do like that kind 2 minutes. 3 minutes. I greet you all once again. One love. Now yeah, better news. Now one year, better news. I greet you all once again. Mo hear this music. Mo tell you say na ya wan egbe. Owa maze wo ma wi. Edo no bane. Oba atokbe ise. Oba atokbe ise. Enika ogbimayaro. Now they hear the music. If you hear the music, write yes. If you hear the music, write yes. You hear them? I greet you all. 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 Who are to? I greet you all, Mr. Osage Wisdom, the Human family. I greet you. 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 That is my luckies. Yes, confirm. Yes, you can hear it. Better news is coming. Better news is coming from Great Edo United Movement. Better news is coming. Better news is coming. You all share, 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 share. Share, 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 share. Better news is coming. Better news is coming. Mr. Wisdom Osage, share, share, share. Share to all the house. Share, share, share. You all share, share, share to your friends. Good news is coming. To see that, yes, Great Edo United Movement is really serious for all great Edo people in worldwide. More hear this music. After this music, better news is coming. The great Edo United Movement, great. I greet you all. I greet all my great people. All my great Edo people worldwide. The great Edo United Movement have come again. I hope most of people when in don't see great Edo United Movement last year, where we started, and we was really talk about things, everything we will talk about. Now I want to prove out to the world. Now, yes, that great Edo United Movement is real, and is real forever and ever. I greet all my people. I greet you all. I greet you all. I greet you all. Mr. Isibo, I greet you. Wato. I greet you all. So, Great Edo United Movement is there for everybody. And anywhere you see Great Edo United Movement, support them. Take it to your home. Spread the news. It's going to help you and your family, help every one of you. Because why the Great Edo United Movement is there for you and me. I greet you, Mr. Prince Odua. I greet you. That is the Iyuma family. I greet you once again. So my great people, the Great Edo United Movement, he have come to come and save the poor, privileged people in our land, to change all the, to kill corruption in our land, you know, to start to help the people, help ourselves. You know, this is Great Edo United Movement for you and me. And it's real. So for there, make I first show some things we be say yes, we do for last year. So make una say yes, we are very serious, and what everything we are doing is really, we are serious about it. I greet all my great Edo people. I greet all the people. I greet you all, you all. So for that moment, maybe we first see the things we will do for last year. So before we go begin talk about other things here, we will get where we want really, yes, what will they try to let the great people of Edo land, both Detao, Ishao, Aunchio, Agbo. So we are one people, one nation, forever and ever. Share.
Never be their portion in the mighty name. Never be their portion in the mighty name. As for me, do it for them in the mighty name. Do it for them in the mighty name. For them in the mighty name. Bless you for them in the mighty name. Down the portion, be blessed unto their life.
So we can use that opportunity to empower our youth. So by the time we have a lot of food, we have a lot of things to do, and get this eyes open.
I'm sorry.
So
I've been touching my legs since morning.
this little from Great Edo United Movement said we should welcome us and accept our gifts.
What water is too cheap for you? I
In
don't
the sight of God, there's nothing too late to you. What God you can is your heart of So Jesus Christ said, while I was in the hospital, you visit me. While I was in prison, you visit me. While I was naked, you clothed me. While I was hungry, you feed me. Then we will not say, Father, when do we see you that you were hungry? We feed you. You were naked, we feed you. Now, why do you this little one do unto me? So everything you are yet to do for the glory of God. And then we praise in Jesus' name. So what do you say?
The great Edo United Movement is real. So as I talk, why I play this, make una sit down one first. And there's so many one will be say yes, we don't do. And so I want let una know say no be as we dey talk am say for math. We get the one will be say yeah, we don't help people life since that 1 year. So Great Edo United Movement is for you and me. Support Great Edo United Movement. Embracing him. Anytime you hear about Great Edo United Movement, embrace the word. Take am to your home. It will make your home clean to your satisfaction if you believe. Just believe am. So now be Great Edo United Movement. I thank you all once again, my great fans, my great brothers, my great love, my great viewers, all my people last year. I greet you all. I know say now around, if I'm no mistake, around that kind of June, I be August. Now I do live video because why we know they talk about things we be say yes, you know they current. So anything we they talk about now real. Now be Great Edo United Movement, one worldwide special, a human. You understand? So I greet all the great Edo people, for at least the one with first see they with me, they follow my great Edo United Movement for live video when they come out. So by now, good news is always there for us. Now we get so many power our people, and it's very great things. Not be waiting that they talk for math. You understand? So I greet all my great people. So please, I want you all to support Great Edo United Movement. This number of Great Edo United Movement for our WhatsApp. Let me call it so that you go to follow up with our. If we see get Ibota. Where we say yes, we dey learn Iwemi do. So Iwemi already do. So when you feel still follow up there. So I greet you all once again, all our great people. So waiting I want try see let all my people know for Edo State, especially. So I beg you all once again, my great people, please make una join hand with Great Edo United Movement. Make una support am. Let we all come one as united. So we all will always get the birthright of what we define for life. So we not go the stress. So many things they will be say yes with all plan for grant and some project, so many things that they go for hand. So I greet you all once again, my great people. So I use this opportunity to let you know say Great Edo United Movement is there for you. Is the opportunity now. Is the opportunity for you to support Great Edo United Movement to come to your wish. I greet you once again. This is me, Eddie Punti. I greet you once again, the president of Great Edo United Movement, one worldwide special EU man. I greet you all once again. May our ancestors bless you. We all, may the Almighty God protect us, and we all always prosper for anything we do. So I greet you all once again. The Great Edo United Movement is about to produce so many things in our Edo land. So please, I want you all to support Great Edo United Movement, and we always there for you, and believe us that we always there for you. So I greet you all once again. This is the time that, yes, we all have to join our hands together and draw one rope. And whether you be Ishan, you be Edo, we all na Edo. From Edo to Delta, we all will be one. All those are together in one family. So I greet you all once again. This is the Great Edo United Movement. I greet all my great members, my great executive. I greet all you all once again. I greet all my great members. I greet my great Edo land. I greet you all. I see so many things where we go come as time goes on. So through Great Edo United Movement is there for all Great Edo United Movement, the support to you all. I greet you all once again. So this time, and whatever any project we will get, and make una believe say we go always carry am up. As we thought say we not go let food cost for our land. So definitely food must surely dey that land. So we dey into that hand. So for that anniversary, so I will still use this opportunity to show now, because anywhere where you see there around Benin here, so you will see the address and everything. So you fit see what carry here, not be say e get as e be, no. I greet you all. I greet you all once again. Just some moment. I'm going to the direction and bring it out. Exactly. So you can see. So we already prepared down. So our 1 year anniversary, that one of Great Edo United Movement, one worldwide special human. So we to show say we know what we dey do, not be say we know what we dey do. We maybe you can see the project here. You can see things we have at hand. So, but as time goes on, everything will come in a live video clearly. So just pardon me, make una pardon me by now. So definitely, but normally, but time will come, everything will dey setting. Just go dey clear. You go dey see am say yes, na clear. So I greet you all once again. Movement is there for you, my people, my great Edo people, my great people. Edo United Movement, honorary banina where nuwa believe where nuwa kuna journal. And kemi ya no really open nuwa really ihawe or adeba. Waye kuwa we egena or sen waya asemi emyesi. Oya muhese eya iha. So egoma oya kena nana abemi egoma na we tase so nuwa try the great people of Edo, all my great Edo. I greet you now. I greet you now. Ikakabowa tuwa kabo. Ikakabowa tuwa. So nuwala o. Wayo oboya fe echungwa. Great Edo United Movement na haya mudi afufe. Na mewe yes. Emi ya fe. Ime imwenu wana. Great Edo people. When were my first all those last year video where would that time where all those katakata see they happen between all those Fulani we see they go on, so so all those things will stop. So many things we will get for hand. Not be say to come go fight. No, not be fight. So by making everywhere good, things go soft, So may we try join Great Edo United Movement, my people, my great Edo people land. So I come again now. I start to the see the be on online. Like it could be when I want to see be on online, I'll see let una know. So I greet una once again, please. Anywhere you see Great Edo United Movement, embrace and it's always be for you to always an opportunity. Don't doubt anything. Believe Great Edo United Movement. As I told you, is real. So those one way I just show now, that one I just flash am. So as I thought say many news go dey come out for wetin we don't do. So now wetin we don't do now go dey show now as I talk before. So now still be this. So no more know say wetin this man really talk that time. So now see really stand put. So now truth. So now we see many things where we do. So we una never know. We go dey show now small. So many places who are going to follow the year. So I greet the great Edo people. I greet you now. So I use this opportunity to tell una say una support. We need them very, very well. Please, na our papa, our mama, our brother, our sister. our uncle, the Great Edo United Movement, he come announce, give us, may we join her, may we use all our arts, take believe and say Great Edo United Movement as they come so na real. So anything we be say yes, we go do. We know the hide down. We dey tell all the old people. So now so we be. So we greet you all once again. So I use this opportunity to let you know say we go see una next very soon. So now know say na normally as we dey do am before. So we will use music take come. So now music now we see the follow am. So I greet you all once again. So we go see very soon. Especially it could be next week. By next week. So we go see how I go I will bring another news come out again because we get so many things for one and things when I get for one I too dey busy. Now be the team, my people. Make una no vex for me. So now make me say I never they come and they give una news. So for now I go to try to create chance. When it be say yes, we go to they give una news, update news. So everything we be say yes, we they do. We be say yes, we don't do. We go to show now. So when everything we not go to add anything for una. So it make una take believe say yes, say Great Edo United Movement now real. So in God where we trust. So may our ancestors continue give us more strength, more knowledge, wisdom, and protection. So may we take carry Great Edo United Movement to the end. I greet you all once again. So I thank all the great people when you see Doc Online since, all my viewers, my great people, I greet you all once again. So we'll see you next week again. So I will give una better news. We be say yes, una go see film, say yes, we na real. You know, say I felt on and say we know they talk another news. Apart say that news will concern Great Edo United Movement. You know, say I felt on last year, so now so we be. So I can't use that opportunity. Can't tell that una know say make una deal with us. So if una deal with us, una go they really they believe say everything we don't do, we go they show una. We not go they hide down for una as I talk before. So we not talking I do. Once we talk something, we they do am. Once we hear them, bangaram. You know say those people now read they must do am. So now so we be. So this is Great Edo United Movement 1 Worldwide Special Human. So I use this opportunity to tell all my great people, make una share this video to all my friends. May they hear this good news. Say yes, Great Edo United Movement is around. As we talked last year, say this year, now this year, now complete 1 year, now Great Edo United Movement born. It was born. Our ancestor born. He bring and come out for life. So 29, we dey celebrate for our great land. I greet you once again, all my great people. I use this opportunity to tell and say yes, we dey gidigba, we dey campaign for you and me. Now get Great Edo United Movement. So if you believe Great Edo United Movement, you go do wonder for your life. Now so it be. Because why you believe them and you use all your heart to work with them, deal with them, they follow them for everything they see do. As they do for you now, so they want to do for another person. So you go use that opportunity to use your mind and your confidence to work with them. So I greet you all once again, all my great people, my great Mr. Samuel. I greet you once again, Usage, Wato. So I greet you all. So you know, say I told her say I did very very busy. Now I make after they come out like all those kind of 2 days. They give una news we don't do. We don't do many things. So make una join us online. So our number now be plus 49 151 715 33 6 6 5. I greet you all once again. So that is the number of Great Edo United Movement, or you go use a plus 49 15 1 2 4 30 1993. That one self. Now see our contact. So una go know say we all will use one mind. You know, say if you even see language when they use now, not too hard. Now language with the hear. Me no say yes. Now really your critical person, your brother, now they hear. So Great Edo United Movement is there for you and me. Believe. So if you use your heart, work with Great Edo United Movement, you must surely reward them. So I greet you all once again. Share this great video. Send it to all your friends. Please share this video. Share it to all your friends. Share it to your people. I greet you all once again. All your contact, share out to them. So make Great Edo United Movement. Make we now for understand. Say yes, we now real. So all those things when I your show, I not be saying I lay down one. So I am him to say many news they come because yeah, chance not go day where we will take the follow up the stories. You understand? What we don't do. You understand? So you go make una don't they see what we don't do so that una will believe say what we see they talk that time. So now we see they do for hand, we know they change. Great Edo United Movement, now Great Edo United Movement. So I greet you all once again. So more this opportunity we want use so next week as I talked before, so we'll do online. So by that next week, I will give you another better news what we does do for hand. So now see more than this one. So I greet you all once again. I thank you all who are there with me. I thank you all who are there with me. So next week when I see more things so we does do. So it's more privilege. When I tell no say yes, we now as I dey talk that time. So now maybe the person when they talk about Great Edo United Movement that time. So when I say now we now really. So we know they talk things we will not fit do. So if we say make una join us now for good for me and you. For me and you. So it's good, it's better than we really join hands together and we do something good for our nation. I greet you all, my great people. Now welcome. I greet you all once again. Next week we will be together. I'll come online. I will show the time for my war so that when I will see them. I greet you all once again, all my lovely people. So more use this music. So the music we use music take on. So by Almighty God, in the name of our ancestors, Obame Atokbe, he said. So I greet you all once again. So more still listen to this music. So Now go see make us see they know more things about our religion, our land. So especially our land language. So do amaze woman awi. So do not go. So mame ke manabe iwe medu. So mate ibota. So that number I call is a mistake that I forgot to write my number in a but whatever so mean, I'll see, try me and see if I can bring it out. Let me see. This is the number. You can wait to me and see if I can bring the number out so that you go see for WhatsApp, now they follow us so that now feel they know everything what they see they do for there, they enter Ibota. So I greet you all once again. I think I find it now. So this is our WhatsApp number. So with this number you can get us online. So if you send us message, definitely we will reply you. So I greet you all once again, all my great people, Edo, great Edo, my lovely Edo people. So next week as I talk, so we will see. I'll give you now better news, better things we will just do for our great people, for our land, our great Edo land. So please make una share this video. Make una share am. Na good news. Great Edo United Movement na real. So we dey do many things for wonder for people. So and na real. That wonder na things we be say yes we will take grow for our land. So where that unity will take come. So I greet all my great people, please. This na number we be say yes. If you want reach us, you want know what you do, well, say you go see how we take the do. I greet you all once again. Oba Atokbe, he said, my great people. I greet you all. Wato.
DJ Otibran, here to sign on my series. Now we here. Yes, Papa. Otibran, no, I'm on a mose. Veni mose, rive yamego. Egeni gunaro, abiwa komata. Igo giri nena iya we me fomi. Me veje kana iya we riasigo. Esoke ageka iya we susoki. Me yuri nena iya waso popo. Unota yo ya iya na vitari. Unoka keme ya na duga no mego. Ive de besi iya we yega west. Ive da we iye me irakmo. Osaye ko mwe ya imate yunwako. Iwe ni tamu wa imaso moriako. Iye me gibye me rave na imeni. Osaheru me no irave ti